Welcome to part 5 of our van build series. In this part we're covering our window installation. The first thing we did was make a cardboard template that was the same size as the glass that we were going to put in the van. We put the template on the outside and inside of the van, making sure it was in the right position before drilling through some guide holes and then making a start with a drill bit. We also put some masking tape around where the jigsaw was going to be so it wouldn't mark our paintwork. Then we just cut out the pre-made lines that we'd already made. For the smaller side window, it was the exact same process, but we had to cut out the support layer of the metal so that we had the right place to put the window. It was the exact same process, so we did the exact same steps and then went over with an angle grinder to tidy it up. We also painted the raw edge of the metal with some white paint so it wouldn't rust. Once the smaller two windows were installed, we made a start on the bigger sliding door window. This was a lot easier as we didn't have to make a template because it was the entire panel of the door, so we just drew some holes around the curved edges of the window, drew our lines, put masking tape around it and then cut out the hole the same way we did the other two. After we'd painted the raw edge, we installed a metal and rubber U-channel onto the edge before we would install the window. For the sliding door window, we had a larger border around where the actual glass would be, so we had to apply some primer. We did this on both the van and the glass, and then we went in with the bondant that came with our glass fitting kit. After this, we were able to install our window. We did the same process on the smaller windows, but we didn't use any primer because we had a smaller edge to work with. Put some masking tape on the glass to make sure that it would stay in the same position, but that was the glass fully on and it was being stuck with the bondant. To finish everything off, we went in with black sealant around the edge of the window. This made it just look like it was part of the van instead of sitting out of the van, and it tidied it up a lot more. We put the bondant around all four sides of the smaller windows, but for the sliding door window it only went on the top and the sides just in case any water needed to drip down the bottom. And this is the final result with all three windows fully sealed and watertight. Come back for part 6.